I gave you the whole knob, a 4,000 watt bill.
Yeah.
You know, it
still does great though.
So,
use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Oh yeah?
Still doing it in my door.
You learn everything as you go, so.
Oh yeah.
Can I come in?
Oh yeah, you're good. Had the kids in the back seat last time. Husband's tired, so he's laying out in the back seat. But he's baseheads never die, so you won't.
Yeah. Let's talk real quick first.
Yeah.
So your name and what's in here? Go for it.
Yep, my name is Kasie. All my speakers and subs is all SoundCube. The subs is the HDS 2.2s. The doors, my 10s are the HDX 10s that just came out. The 8s are the HDS series. The tweeters are also the little HDX. I call them the Q tweeters.
Okay.
The subs are on a DD 4K, and my doors are sharing 3 Timpano 1000.4Ks.
Okay.
And the game plan is next year we'll be making switch over to SoundCube amps and things of that nature.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. How big is the box?
So it is about 22 cubes, give or take a little change. It's 2 to 30 hertz. That is designed by Green Raven Designs out of Virginia Beach, Virginia. And Mr. Anthony Smith.
Yep.
He provided us a cut sheet so my husband could, build it for me.
Yeah.
And making all the little girl ideas happen.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
Yeah, all the work is by Mr.
Amps are all down here. Wow. Okay, you got them opened up.
Got a mind to mesh, got little ones. And
It's okay. Well, you're still able to have your back seats, so that's the most important.
Yep, and it's still functional every time the kids get in there, like Mommy's song.
Yeah. And this amp's at 1 ohm, half ohm?
My sub amp is at the even 1 ohm that it should be.
Okay.
Nothing too dramatic. Everything is still on old school AGM.
Yep.
I never drop, in unhealthy numbers. Everything is high 12. Usually averages, mid 13.
Yeah. All right.
That's what I'm charging at. So that's, my front voltage. So everything's charging healthy. And that 13.6 is what the subs is seeing.
All right.
4,000 watt bill.
Yeah.
It's not.
It still does great though.
So my goal was to kind of do something like Clippo, but on a really small level.
Lower level. Yeah.
Who doesn't love Clippo?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can I see the back? See how the box looks? Awesome job. It's jammed in? You need me to help kind of pull it up?
Sometimes I gotta put my butt into the door.
If it doesn't open, it's okay. Oh, I see. It's all the flex, yeah.
It will break it.
Yeah. There you go. When you get a little help, it makes it a little easier. Awesome. Have you tried moving the box at all forward or back, or is it right where the sweet spot?
Been there since we put it in.
Okay.
I haven't even metered it. I have no idea what it does.
At least a 50 if you burped it or higher. You never know.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
Well, for 4,000 watts, because you're tuned a little lower, it's hard to get that 50. But
yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah. Take a picture real quick. Sorry, I forgot about that. I like the little for your daughter. All right. Awesome. Thank you for the info. I'd love to hear it. Sweet.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Follow me, standing. Coughing in the body. choice, and I don't. Literature, when I split the word to get the curve, wiring up a system to help get me heard. Looking at potholes swerve. Choice, and I don't. Literature, when I split the word to get the curve, wiring up a system to help get me heard.
I gave you the whole knob.
And that gave way down to 22. You're playing lows. Wow. Appreciate it. That was awesome flex.
It's only a 4,000 watt build.
Yeah.
You know, it's not.
It still does great though.
So
Yeah.
like my goal was to like kind of do something like Clippo, but on a really small level.
Lower level. Yeah.
Like, I mean,